boy, it was awesome. Just enough in the back, you really want first to pop, but then you really want to go look
Right,
at your
right,
back.
right.
Is that
Yes.
really transparent ink or is it black on black?
Black on black with just a little touch of Plate oil and the silver ink added to it just to give it a little shine.
Yeah. And you said this is all laser cut?
Yeah, all laser cut. Yeah.
I always wanted to play with that.
Yeah, it's got amazing possibilities.
So your A comes up.
Yeah, these get a little slightly bowed, but the press wax.
Yeah. It says, I'm the boss.
Yeah,